I'm excited to share with you some highlights of what's new at this year's annual meeting in Boston. On Saturday, we've added several expanded workshops for in-depth learning in the areas of functional radiation medicine, physics, radiopharmaceutical therapy, and brachytherapy. Both the radiopharmaceutical and brachytherapy workshops will offer hands-on component to the learning. On Monday, we have a brand new presidential science poster session that will feature our top translational science posters and give an opportunity for all of our presenters to meet with expert faculty while hearing about the latest research in our field. And the energy carries right over into the night. We actually have two new events this year. One, ASTRO is hosting our first ever Welcome Kickoff event on Saturday evening at the iconic Citizens House of Blues. And we have a premier black tie event on Tuesday night, our inaugural ASTRO Gold Medal Gala. So be sure to secure your tickets for these special events when you register. We can't wait to see you there.